Cloud computing sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. Instead of keeping all your servers, storage, and applications inside your office, you use computing services over the internet. Before we continue, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop a comment below if you want more simple tech explanations like this. Now, platforms like Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud allow companies to run applications, store data, host websites, and manage infrastructure without buying everything physically. There are three common cloud models. IaaS means infrastructure as a service. It gives you virtual servers, storage, and networking. PaaS means platform as a service. It gives developers a ready platform to build and deploy applications. SaaS means software as a service. These are ready-made apps like email, collaboration tools, CRM, and file storage. Cloud computing helps businesses scale faster, reduce hardware costs, support remote work, and improve availability. But cloud is not magic. It still needs security, backup, monitoring, access control, and cost management. Cloud is powerful when it is managed properly. If this video helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and comment with the next tech topic.